Hello guys, we are Letstute. Our aim is to teach accountancy in a very logical and self-learning manner. Well, accounting is a language of business. It is a foundation of any business organization because if the right kind of monitoring and analysis is not done, you would not know head and tail of the finances involved. Hence, we have specially designed this course to help students to understand the very basics and vital concepts of accountancy. So once you get your basics right, learning any other chapter, be it a partnership accounting or company accounting, would become very easy task. This course will be beneficial to you whether you are a student or professional wanting to brush up on some basics. Basically, anyone with an interest to learn accounting can take up this course. We've used simple language and relatable examples to make it easy for one and all. This course contains several video lectures for concept explanation, also has quiz videos for support and assessment tools to test our understanding on the topic. Now quickly I will take you through content of this course. We will be covering what is bookkeeping and accountancy, some commonly used accounting terminologies, all of the principles and conventions of accounting. There are 12 of them that we are going to cover. Then moving on to how do we classify the accounts, the golden rules of accounting, and lastly accounting equation. Well, here is a special discount offer. Use this coupon code and avail flat 50% off on this course. For more details, check the description given below. Hurry up, enroll now and experience learning like never before.